Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and message under 16 right there in TikTok app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that, I would suggest for you guys to, while making your TikTok account, you will have to make sure that you're at least 16, right? Or let's say if you are indeed 16 but you apparently added some wrong birth date, like by days, by month, it's not showing 16, and because of TikTok's guideline you're not being able to text or message anybody, then the first option would be simply for you to create a new account, obviously for you to change your date of birth, because we do not have that option in TikTok available. Other thing that would be is you'll go into your profile, tapping on 3 horizontal line above, going to settings and privacy, and simply if you will scroll down, and then you will tap on this option called report a problem. In this section, and then you will have this option called account and profile. Simply choose that, and then you will simply tap on this manage account option, and you will tap on this option called this I want to make my account secure, and then afterwards you're gonna simply scroll down the article, tap on this now. Once the feedback is sent, you will find this another option that will appear called need more help, and then you're gonna go ahead, type in this description box that you're gonna mention, hey, I am above 16 or I am 16, and you can enter your date of birth. You can also make the screenshot of your shows the proof of you being 16 or above 16, and then you can send them. I'm not being able to send messages even though I am 16 or above 16. Please help me sort this problem out. And once you're done attaching your photos or your videos, tap on submit. The feedback will be submitted. They will contact you here in your account or in your email address that is connected with your account for you to show the process regarding that. That is the way for you to solve it. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.